Hello guys, it's Tendo with a lemon video for you today. It's been a while, but I'm back. So today I'm here to tell you or show you the easiest natural way to lose weight or cut weight with using lemon. The lemon drink has 3 ingredients. It has lemon, it has ginger or ginger, and it has natural honey. So those are the ingredients we are using today. The best time to take the lemon drink is in the morning before breakfast, and after taking the lemon drink you wait 15 to 20 minutes, then you have your breakfast. So before I get to how to prepare the lemon drink, I wanted us to first know the benefits of lemon or the benefits of this drink in our body. So number 1, we have lemon helps you to cut weight. It's what we are looking at today. Lemon is an excellent source of potassium in the body. Lemon helps to boost your immunity, so it will you'll have lower chances of getting colds, getting flu, and even getting bacterial infections. You remember in my previous video that I made about UTIs, lemon was one of the ingredients that I used. So the next is lemon aids digestion. If you're having issues with constipation, this drink is the best drink you can take. You will see changes in your body. Lemon keeps the skin blemish free. You will glow. Lemon is an energy boost, and lemon helps fight viral infections like UTIs, bacterial infections, yeast infections. So if you decide to use this procedure to lose weight or cut weight, please don't miss if you want better results, and stay hydrated. Take lots of drinks. So remember, I told you this lemon drink has 3 ingredients. It has ginger, it has lemon, and natural honey. This is how they prepare this drink. I have a glass of warm water, 1 lemon, natural honey, ginger, and this is what you do. You get your knife, you chop the lemon in two, and squeeze one of the pieces in the warm water. You squeeze it so hard, so you want this juice to mix with the warm water. So after doing this, you get your ginger, you chop this top part, you chop you chop this, you chop it very well. Make sure that it's all chopped very well. Then you cut the ginger in small pieces. You just get a small piece of ginger, you don't get a very big piece. You chop. So let's do this. You chop it in very small pieces. You mix in the lemon. You put all of it in your lemon water, and you get the remaining piece of lemon. You slice 2. You see what I'm doing? This. Put in your water. You slice the second piece. You put in your water, and you slice the third piece. So this remaining piece, you still squeeze it in the water. So after doing this, you mix a little. Then you get your honey. This is natural honey. One spoon is enough. And you mix this very well. Make sure the water is hot. After mixing this very well, you cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, our lemon water is ready to be taken. And please, if you decide to use this procedure to cut weight, please don't chop any day. Take this drink on a daily basis for better results. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Thank you so much for watching my video.